playing Silkroad Online and curious about the SRO files in your game folder? These contain the game assets that bring the Silkroad trading routes to life in this popular MMORPG. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these game data files. We'll be comparing our manual fix to the final option, made possible by using just one industry-leading SRO file inspection tool that supports a vast library of file formats. SRO files are game data files for Silkroad Online, the MMORPG developed by Joymax containing client-side game assets, including character models, textures, map data, and interface elements. They store the visual and gameplay resources needed for the game client to render the online world. Silkroad Online SRO data files use a proprietary packed archive format, storing compressed game resources, including 3D mesh, data texture maps, animation sequences, sound effects, UI layouts, and configuration tables, organized for efficient streaming and client-side caching. Typically, SRO files can be opened with Silkroad Online created by Joymax. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows cannot display textures, models, or assets inside, so opening them needs proper tools. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the SRO file and select Open with Test Silkroad Online if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the SRO format uniquely. If the SRO file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the SRO error using these three focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, locating game files. SRO files reside in the Silkroad Online installation directory and are managed by the game launcher. Do not move, rename, or modify these files as the game client validates file integrity during updates. If files are missing or corrupted, use the game launcher's repair function to restore them. Next, repairing game data. If Silkroad Online reports missing or corrupt game files, open the game launcher and use the File Check or Repair option. The launcher verifies all SRO files against the server manifest and re-downloads any damaged or missing resources. Allow the process to complete before launching the game. Finally, modding considerations. Extracting or modifying SRO game files may violate the game's terms of service. If you wish to explore the game's art assets for personal educational purposes, community-developed SRO extraction tools may be available through modding forums. Always respect the developer's intellectual property rights. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.